Today it's Thursday, April 3rd, 2025, and this is an update video for the old diff. I'm starting here from the car to show you that the car it's indoors on the same lift, on the number one lift here. Alright, we haven't taken it out by any means. These are the parts that I showed you on the previous video, that I have prepared: the brake calipers, the brake rotors, the brake shoes, nice and clean, without any contamination, without rust, without oil. Lovely. Alright, these are the old parts that I have it in this box. This will gonna be returned back to the owner. Alright, let's go inside of the engine room now to see what I received. Actually, I received it yesterday evening. I'm gonna put on the video today. Here we go. At this corner, the diff, like you saw in the previous video, the new parts. Okay, I have shown you the shaft. This is the new one that's passing through here and through this. Alright, that it was the previous one was bent and I have it outside. I have already shown you this. I can put it here. Alright, I receive also the snap ring, the safe for the same one. Alright, keep it there. I'll take it out. I'm gonna show you why I'm gonna take it out. I receive also the springs, this securing the brake pads, the brake shoes, sorry, the brake shoes. I receive also that. Why I have two? It takes only one. Okay, question mark on that. Keep it there. Alright, then I have, yeah, for that, for the pin, the boosts I already showed you before, the rubber, where it steps the spring. Okay, leave this there. I haven't shown you this. Then I have, yeah, this is the mount. Alright, that's the mount. When it comes to time, I'm gonna show you with more details. For now, I'm gonna show you the small things. This is the boost, that this boost needs to be torqued down. I mean, you can put it inside, but you torque it down after the car steps down. Okay, on a neutral position. Alright, these are the seals that I was saying before. I'm gonna show you. Let me take that box from there and bring it here front to see what I have received. Alright, I don't have yet this boot. This I haven't received it yet. Yeah, just a second. Alright, that's the box. Alright, so what I need from here, forget the race. Alright, I need this to come out. Alright, this I have already marked it. I need this one out and this one out. I have received it already. And this, I can make some tests now as soon as I have the new bushings. I'm talking about the Teflon piece and the pin. I can make some tests to see that everything is fine and we are good. Then keep the race here inside. Alright, fine, lovely. We are good from this side. Yes, we are. Now, let's start from these rubber seals. Alright, this is to keep the grease inside, don't escape the grease, and to don't put it in and then start escaping out. Alright, let me open the nylon bag. Alright, this one I showed you before. It's hard. It's supposed to be like that. That's how it's supposed to be. Pliable, flexible, rubber. Not like all of them there are. Alright? Not like plastic. I mean, this, I can break it. I don't want to break it because I'm gonna make a mess here. I don't want to. This goes back in the box with the other two. The other two, they came apart. They broke. I have the new ones. I don't care about that. That's one thing. This goes out, like I said. Then I have the pin for the carrier. Let me open this bush that's corresponding to this one. Alright, and these two that's corresponding to this. Alright, here we go. This is the new pin. I need to make one test fit on the gears to see what's the difference, because obviously this has a wear, but this one, it's brand new. Alright, I want to see also dimensions. That's okay, and not gonna give me a headache. I'm gonna measure it properly All right, and then after that I'm gonna use it to mount it and to see how it is. Then these Teflon bushings, the washers, called as you like, it's corresponding to these gears, and it has also this one to don't rotate, to keep it steady. This disappear. Just 1 second because somebody came. All right, where was I? Yes, I was here. Fine. You see the notches on this one disappear. The notches. What does mean that? That means that this it can spin on the shaft. Oh no, it's not. It is there. Just only it's. No, it's okay. It doesn't spin. All right, it's fine. It's fine. It is what it is. It has a little bit more clearance. We don't care. These are the new one that's supposed to have a tight fit. Yeah. All right. With one hand. Oh boy. Yeah. This is supposed to have a tight fit like this. This is nice. This is beautiful. This is lovely. And definitely it's the same part number. Oops. Yeah, I don't care about that. These two, they have different thickness because of the wear. At least it feels like that one's more thin than the other. On this one, they're new, they have the same thickness, and they're going here. Keep them here, not now, later for that. Then I have this bush that goes to this gear. Once I want to remove the seal from here. And this from the gears and from the oil, change the color. That's how it was at the beginning. All right, that comes here. It gets shrink, this one. That's how this looks like. I'm gonna check it later on the carrier. Now it's not the time. Okay, all right. On this one, I might. What I'm going to do on that, I'm gonna tell you what I'm going to do. I'm gonna warm up some oil, 80 degrees differential oil, in a stainless steel container. I'm gonna show you what I have. I have specific. Why I'm saying that? Because here it's has much more clearance, but there it's tight. And because I don't want to have any problem, any headache, and I want to go inside nicely, I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do. Wait, this goes out with this. All right. This I'm gonna keep it. No, I want to get some measurements of that, just for a peace of mind. Same thing also with the pin. Not now. This one, let me put it here. All right, now put it here. Fine. Put the seal back over here. These O-rings, they're entering here. Nice. Fine. The nylon bags, and when I finish on that, goes outside. The gaskets I showed you before, some nuts and some other stuff. Keep it there. I have also the socket for the nut. Alright, that's a socket for the pinion nut that comes like that here at this point. Alright, beautiful. This nylon bag and this out and this out for now. What I was going to tell you, yeah, I'm gonna show you. One second. I have this. This is not for cooking. Also the oven, it's not for cooking. It's to warm up things, to expand. And this is better than to have an open flame if you want to warm up oil. All right. So I have these two. Plus, okay, I bring them all out. Once again, this is not for cooking. These are stainless steel containers. Okay. As an example, I'm putting differential oil here inside. All right. I'm warming up to 80 degrees. I'm putting it here, I'm warming up 80 degrees Celsius, and I have inside, not the old one, the new one, I have it here inside, alright? As soon as you're gonna warm up, I have a gloves, not these gloves, you're gonna burn your hands, you take with your hands, pop, and you push it inside nicely. Same thing, on the ring, it didn't have so much pressure fit on that. I'm gonna check about that. Same thing I'm doing with the bearings and these kind of things, not on a fluid, or in an oven. Just saying to get the picture. All right, it's good thing to have these kind of things. It's very helpful. It's nice and clean. when you're not afraid about something, right? Keep them here for measurements, like I said. I can even keep this here because, yeah, nice. Keep it there, no problem. Storage it there. What else? Anything else? Nothing, right? The most I have shown you. I haven't gone through the parts. I have the instructions here and see how smart I am. I have the instructions for the diff on how to put it together, right? Step by step. I don't want to make any mistake. After all, I'm not closing this kind of diffs every day, right? Okay. I print all the pages, but I have it also on the computer. How smart you are, Tassos. Wait, what I'm talking about. I have exactly the same document on a PDF. Take a look at the date. July 1973. Oh boy. So I have it here. All right. All these notes, all the instructions to installation. All right. And what I did, I printed. I'm so smart. I'm supposed to have the computer there to be eco-friendly. To don't have to print it, but yeah, never mind. I don't know why I printed. I'm gonna stop the video here. Just want to show you that the car is inside of the garage. Obviously, we are not throwing it out under the sun or to move it without the diff, the rear axle. All right, obviously, all the parts are here. That's the parts that I received, and standing by for the boot. And then I want to see my list, my notes, to see what other things remaining. I don't think there's remaining anything else other than the boot. Okay, this is the old one. I have it here. I just said, to put a new one, because to put a new one, you have to split the diff in the middle. And you're not doing that every day. I guess that like this is gonna last another 20 years, the diff. After 20 years, we're gonna see. And I need also the grease. Oh boy, yeah. We order Mercedes OEM grease. Actually, whatever parts you see here, it's an OEM. All the parts are OEM. What's not OEM? The socket, because the socket's been modified to be able to torque the nut, and that socket over there to torque the nut for the axle bearing, for the wheel bearing. All the rest, these are the tools, by the way. All the rest are OEM parts, either old one painted with a powder coating or brand new OEMs. All right, no modifications by any means here. All right, I'm waiting. Yes, I'm waiting the grease for the bearing that needs to pack with grease, and I'm waiting also the boot. That's what I'm waiting. This is galvanized. That's why I didn't send it for painting. And this is where it steps also the brake shoes, like that. That's why I didn't send it for painting, for a powder coating. And the same thing also with the axle. Obviously, because you need to have metal with metal contact. I'm gonna put some anti-seize grease there. I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna put, just to have it also on the video. That's what I'm gonna apply, all right? Anti-seize lubricant, a little bit of light film on the surface, all right? Where it meets the brake rotor, the hub, the axle, the adapter, whatever, fine. This to prevent any corrosion or something, and to be able to take it out easily when it comes the time. I think that I cover everything, for now at least. Let me get, like I said, some measurements here. I'm gonna close also this box. For now it doesn't have to be open. I just want to compare the thickness, like I said. I know that I repeat myself, but this is my checklist. It's much better to write it down on paper, like any other time, than to do it out of memory. This one, the yoke. Should I paint it from one side, not from this side, from where it comes the drive shaft, from this side? We're gonna see about that. We're gonna see. I ordered also a cold bluing, the liquid, to make cold bluing, to have a resistance on the rust. And these kind of things are gonna be nice to pass it with a hot bluing. Okay, it's overkill if you're asking me, and I'm not gonna do it, need some time. But a cold bluing, to have some rust protection, it's nice, it's not bad, I guess, I hope. You're not gonna change anything. It's not like that you're gonna warm it up and it might be warped or whatever, right? That's it for now, that's it. Thank you very much. Over and out.